had to take it out of my hand.
You weren't listening to me.
Is that good?
I put it in the high chair.
Do you have mommy's and yours?
I have
How
two.
many ice creams do you have?
3.
2.
I have 2 too.
You have 2.
And 3.
1, 2.
I have 1 too. I have both.
Excuse me.
How many do you have now, Aubrey? 3 and 1. Nope. Aubrey, what's this? What's this circle?